Making $1 million online might sound like a dream, but it's actually a formula. If you know the right steps, anyone can do it. And today, I'm going to break down the exact blueprint that has helped people turn side hustles into million-dollar businesses. No gimmicks, just proven strategies. Stay with me till the end, and I'll reveal the biggest mistake that stops people from hitting $1 million. There are hundreds of ways to make money online, but not all of them will get you to $1 million. The fastest paths? 3 main models. 1. Selling a product. This could be an online course, a digital download, or even a physical product through e-commerce. Providing a service, like freelancing, consulting, or running an agency. Content monetization. Think YouTube, blogging, or social media. Create valuable content and get paid through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Pick one, master it, and then move to the next step. Most people fail because they create a high-paying job instead of a scalable business. Here's how you fix that. Automate and delegate. Tools and hire people to handle tasks you don't need to do yourself. Create a repeatable process. It's a content schedule, a product launch strategy, or a client onboarding system. Document what works and refine it. Focus on scaling. Instead of selling one product for $10,000, sell 1,000 products for $1,000 each. Big money comes from volume, not just high prices. You can have the best business in the world, but if nobody sees it, you won't make a dime. So, how do you get people to buy from you? Traffic. Organic growth SEO, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Build an audience that trusts you. Paid ads. Facebook, Google, and influencer partnerships can put you in front of millions overnight. Email and community. Your followers don't pay your bills, your customers do. Build an email list and nurture your audience into buyers. This is where most people fail. They quit too soon. The truth? Making $1 million online isn't hard. It just takes time and consistency. Every millionaire entrepreneur you see kept going, even when it looked like nothing was working. So, ask yourself, are you treating this like a real business? Are you willing to fail, learn, and adjust? Because if you do, it's just a matter of time before you hit your goal. Now you know the exact steps to make $1 million online. Pick your business model, build a system, drive traffic, and stay consistent. That's how millionaires are made. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge in making money online? I'll be answering as many as I can. See you in the next video.